Myself Radish. Welcome to RKP for Yoga. In front of you to discuss about depression. Depression is classified as a mood disorder. It may be described as feeling of sadness, loss, or anger that interfere with a person's day-to-day activities. Fish pose, bound angle pose, skull shining breath, fish pose or Malsyasana. Lay on the floor on your back, lift the buttocks and bring the palms under the buttocks with the thumb touching. Arch the back, rolling the shoulders under, tilt the head back, bringing the crown of the head in contact with the floor. Press through the elbow to create a deeper arch in the back, opening the chest. Maintain 5 breaths. To release the pose, release the head by bringing the back of the head into contact with the floor. Remove the palms from under the buttocks and release the arms by the sides. Bound angle pose or Baddha Konasana. Bend your knees and bring the feet towards your pelvis. Hold them with your hands and bring them more towards the pelvis. Slowly deep breathing. Then breathe out. Bend forward at the hip and reach for the floor in front of your feet with the face. Hold this position from 8 count with normal breathing. Then inhale. Lift your knees away from the floor and relaxing butterfly pose. Skull shining breath or Kapalabhati Kriya. Sit comfortably with your spine erect. Place your hands on the knee with the palms open to the sky. Take a deep breathing. As you exhale, pull your stomach, pull your navel in back toward the spine. As you relax the navel and abdomen, take 20 such a breath to complete one round of Kapalabhati Pranayama. After completing the round of relax with your eyes closed and observe the sensation in your body, do 2 more round of Kapalabhati Pranayama.
Seeds, beans. Seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, and chia seeds are especially good for your mood because they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Fuhrman writes, not only seeds add their own spectrum of unique disease-fighting substance to the dietary landscape, but the fat in seeds increase the absorption of protective nutrients in vegetable eaten in same meal. Beans. Beans are a great source of proteins and fiber, both of which maintain stable and consistent blood sugar level. In addition to minimize the blood sugar spike and dips that can affect our moods. Beans are also a great source of folate. Folate is a B vitamin that helps the body to produce blood cells, DNA, RNA, and metabolize proteins.
Hope my information will be informative to everyone. Suggest your views and opinions about this video in my comment section. I will definitely respond in timely manner. Thanks for watching.